Coming to the first exercise, first bit is write any three rational numbers. Coming to the solution, here we need to find three rational numbers. Rational numbers anaga akaraniya sankhyalu. First of all, we see what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers in the form of p by q and q not equal to 0. అకరణీయ సంఖ్యలు అనగా అంకెలు p by q రూపంలో ఉండి q అనే వాల్యూ 0 కాకపోతే ఆ సంఖ్యలను అకరణీయ సంఖ్యలు అని అంటారు. Examples are like 1/8, 1/4, 1/10, 1/100. Here denominator not equal to 0, which are in the form of p by q. So this will be the end of the solution.